Tired of paying a fee for every transaction? Frustrated by the high cost of banking? Imagine a world where your business account actually gives you something back. What if it came with perks that saved you money and helped your business grow? Well, that's exactly what you get with a Tide Perks membership. Today, we're breaking down what's included in this membership and why it might be the best investment you make for your business this year. What is Tide Perks? Tide has always been about making business banking simpler and more accessible. But with Tide Perks, they've taken it a step further. It's a monthly or yearly membership that gives you a suite of benefits designed to reduce your costs and provide real value. Let's dive into what's included. The breakdown. First up, you get a significant reduction in your transaction fees. If you're a small business owner, you know how quickly those transaction fees can add up. With Tide Perks, you get 50 free transactions every month. That means more money stays in your pocket and less goes to bank fees. Next, you get access to partner rewards. This is where the value really stacks up. Tide has partnered with a wide range of businesses to offer exclusive discounts and deals. You can get money off on things you already need, like business software, accounting tools, and even travel. We're talking discounts on subscriptions for platforms like Xero and QuickBooks, which are essential for managing your finances. Plus, there are deals on things like business insurance and marketing services. These aren't just small, token discounts, they're real savings that can add up to hundreds, even thousands, of pounds a year. And finally, you get a free additional card for your team. This is a huge benefit for growing businesses. Whether you have a co-founder, a key employee, or just need a separate card for specific expenses, this perk gives you flexibility without the extra cost. Is it worth it? So, is Tide Perks really worth the membership fee? Let's do the math. The cost of the membership is easily offset by the savings. If you use up all 50 of your free transactions, you've already saved a significant amount. Add on top of that the discounts on essential business tools and services, and the membership practically pays for itself. It's not just about the money you save, it's about the value you gain. Tide Perks is built to help you run your business more efficiently and profitably. It's more than just a bank account, it's a financial toolkit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.